never ever find the right words, and there's.
And we got this guy. Alright, so what is up, guys? Scene Wrestler here, back at it again with another video. We're over here at Mikey's house. I am right now taking apart all of this, the window regulator and all that good stuff. It really was easy for my car because there really ain't any bolts that actually attach to it. It's actually kind of going pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of just doing everything the right way. I watched a couple videos. I really don't know how to do this, so I had to watch a couple videos. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't mess with windows, but right now I am trying to do this, and I'm gonna finish this up and then get right back to you guys once I'm done.
Felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Here's the old one. Old one's out. Now we gotta put the new one in here. So look, the bit shot. So.
Perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing. Girl, I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing. Girl, I just gotta see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing. Girl, I just gotta see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing. Girl, I just wanna see it. Send a pic, girl, I wish you would. Man, I swear, girl, you're looking good. Hey, that body like a Coke bottle. Girl, you so fine, look like a model. Hey, girl, come my way. Girl, swing my way. She a church girl on Sunday, but she on Snap, taking it off Monday. I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing, girl, I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing, girl, I just gotta see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing, girl, I just gotta see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing, girl, I just wanna see it. She's a very freaky girl. Don't believe me, go ask Gucci Mane. She's a real freaky girl. She like to ride and do wild things. I love it when she drop it for me. When she get nasty, she snap it for me. Man, I love them videos. Really love she touch her toes. I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing. Snapchat me that thing. Girl, I just wanna see it. Snapchat me that thing.
All right, window goes up and down. So right now I gotta go by WD-40 to grease up the seals, but that's about it. There we go. Fixed my window. Now I'm finally happy about that because I had to run with this disgusting thing. So yeah, we're done. I'm giving the Civic a quick wash because I haven't washed her in like a while. So yeah, she's looking really nice. When you're busy and you work all the time, you don't have a chance to do this. But I try to do it almost every week. If I can't do it every week, then I'll do it every 2 weeks or so. I'll buy instant detailer and detail the car and all that good stuff. So yeah. All right, so really didn't do much. Just the window regulator. Just wanted you guys to see that, you know, fix that. I had to fix it. It was about time. But this is the end of the video. No, it's not much. I'm sorry. Just kind of laid back video. I'm gonna have better content sooner. I'm going to order a GoPro, and the reason why I'm ordering the GoPro is because I want to use it for the track in the event. So basically, when I get the GoPro, I do want to do an upcoming video for how to drive a stick shift, and I want to do some tollgate runs with Mikey because he has a GoPro and I'm gonna have a GoPro, so it's just gonna look a little bit more better. So I think that's gonna really help out with the route I'm trying to go with this channel. If you guys want to, you can go to my Instagram, just Teen Ricer, no spaces, no nothing, or you can go to my other Instagram, which is BigJason64. I'm mostly on that one because that one is just, you know, actually my main Instagram. I don't like jumping from Instagram to other Instagram. I'd rather have my own Instagram, like just personal Instagram. It'll be very sick. So if you guys want to go follow me on that one, go follow me. If you guys are welders, or anybody is a welder in that's watching this video, there is a website that actually is selling good quality clothes and stuff for welding. They have nice pants, I guess. Yeah, they have nice pants on there and all that. You guys should definitely go check it out. It's my buddy Jeremy. He has this company he was talking about, and they're trying to come up a little bit. The prices are kind of high, but they're really good quality, you know, good quality stuff. So if you guys want to take a look, if you're a welder and need like actual like good welding clothes, these are, I guess they're non-flammable or something like that, or something about sparks. But I'm gonna read more about it. If you guys want to read more about it, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. Definitely go check that out. Very cool website, very cool stuff that's on there, so you guys better take a look at it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice night, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.
I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.